My mum really loved cooking with homegrown produce, and when you grow your own, you can really taste the difference. That's what inspired us to set up 6 Grow Your Own allotments last summer, so more people can benefit from fresh, delicious food. We joined the people at our plots at picking time, stopping off in Brixton first.
There you go, look.
Isn't that brilliant?
It can be so satisfying pulling veg out the ground, just like this.
You got muscles. It's very strong pulling that out of the ground.
Picking season is also in full swing at our Pollokshields plot in Glasgow.
Courgette. Oh, look at that. There is courgette as well. Look at that. And look at the tomatoes, my favorite.
One of the best things about the plots is seeing people pick, cook, and eat the things they've grown. Community Engagement Manager Tab knows food is a language that brings people together.
You're not just coming together, you're also taking food from here, you're cooking the food here, and in our culture, food plays a very big, important part in the way that we interact with people, the way we care. It's kind of like our language. So that's the kind of thing that we go through here. We grow everything here that we know we're going to eat. You can make a curry out of anything, essentially. As long as you've got the core ingredients, your onion, your ginger, your garlic, you can put anything in. There's a formula here. The magic is in the hands. So I could give you the same ingredients, but your curry will not taste like my curry. I can give you the exact ingredients and it won't be. It's in the hands.
Tab is making food magic happen at the allotment, a firecracker curry that'll warm the bellies of her fellow volunteers. It's soul food at its finest.
This one that we're making, it's
Kind
courgettes.
of mixed veg.
Yeah, so courgettes, potatoes, and we've got some beans as well, so probably add that. And then you want lots of onions as well, because I'm making
They're
a big
all
pot.
from our Bowling Green garden. I went on a holiday, came back, nothing left.
It was raided. They all took it. You know what happens here.
I got really hungry. I said, where is the garlic? I was waiting. All gone.
It's gone. You snooze, you lose, Minna.
Kids are curious, so let them explore. Freshness is a key part of the Grow Your Own project.
First question, guys. Who knows what these are?
Tomatoes.
Yeah. Who wants to try one?
But what type of tomato are
Go on, then you have a taste. Do you want to try one?
Red.
When you grow your own, you can really taste the difference.
Ha ha!
they?
I
Okay.
like doing this.
Everything gets to ripen properly on the stalk and you can enjoy it fresh from picking. You can really feel the love.
It's salad!
It's time to eat. In London and Glasgow, people are gathering at our plots for a veggie feast, tucking into Muna and Tab's expert vegetable curry. And that wonderful bowl of pasta salad made by those just starting their cooking journey. And of course, a selection of Linda McCartney burgers. Delicious. It's just great to see everyone enjoying the fruits and veg of their labour. And it's made even better by the love and care that our growers put into every mouthful. If you're keen to grow your own, reach out to your local allotment or head to our website to get started. And remember, big things come from small seeds.